All right guys, so also we have media selection. You can choose ceramic bead, aluminum oxide, glass bead, or silicon carbide, all of which have different mesh sizes. So if you want to choose 20 to 70 mesh, you can choose that. If I don't want that, I can just click 70 to 170 mesh. And then also I can choose 170 mesh to 1200 mesh. So basically that just shows how coarse and how fine the medias are. So all that does is tell us what our pinch valve time is going to be at. That way you can not drain out all your media. You can keep your media in your actual hopper. That way it doesn't get in your freshwater basin. The best feature about this thing is that you can quote jobs more effectively. We have a time-elapse meter at the top of the screen. So it'll show you by the hour, minute, second, down to the millisecond, how long it takes to do a job. That way you can tell your customers when exactly their work is going to be done. You can also budget accordingly as far as how long it's going to take to blast this part.